Okay, now slide number 10. The title is Plagiarism and What Not to Do with an exclamation mark. Plagiarism means taking somebody else's work and publishing it or reporting it in your own name. Never do that. So regarding plagiarism, it is said that never take the work of others without giving proper credit. Means if you are actually quoting somebody else's work in your technical report, you must give their reference. Okay? Never take verbatim sentences, paragraphs from the literature. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब आप स्टडी करते हैं अपनी टेक्निकल रिपोर्ट के लिए और आप किसी का पेपर पढ़ते हैं या किसी का थीसिस पढ़ते हैं या किसी की डिसर्टेशन पढ़ते हैं या किसी की रिपोर्ट पढ़ते हैं, तो उनकी रिपोर्ट में से या उनकी थीसिस में से या उनके पेपर में से या इवन इफ समथिंग इज पब्लिश्ड ऑन द इंटरनेट, डू नॉट टेक वर्बेटम सेंटेंसेस. मीन्स कॉपी पेस्टिंग नहीं करनी. Never copy paste paragraphs directly from other people's reports, theses, dissertations or journal papers or from the internet. Okay? Because there is a thing which is known as Turnitin, and that Turnitin software looks at everything on the internet, and if you have actually taken complete sentences or paragraphs from any journal paper, thesis, dissertation or from any website, then it will catch you in plagiarism. Okay, so never do that. If you feel that you must use verbatim material, use quotation marks. It means that if you are taking somebody's writing, a whole paragraph or a whole sentence, use quotation marks at the ends and also give reference regarding that material that you have taken from where and who has actually published it. Do this sparingly. Sparingly का मतलब ये है कि ये बहुत कम किया करें. ठीक है? Understood? But you can do it, but do it sparingly. In that manner, use quotation marks and give a reference. There are search engines that can find if verbatim material has been stolen. समझ आई? तो जो कुछ मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया टर्निटिन के बारे में वो यहाँ पे दिया भी गया है. Professors or teachers fail students who do this. Additional disciplinary action may follow. So if you are writing your technical report, do not take copy pasted material in verbatim form from any source. Okay, because we will check the plagiarism of it using Turnitin and you might get failed or your technical report might get binned. Simple as that. Okay, there is an example of a sentence given over here which is actually a no-no quote from an engineering report. So have a read through this and let me know if you understand what this engineer has actually written in his report. A sketch of the setup for both tests depicting relative positions and connections is featured in showing the relative posit featuring. The relative setup of the tests is featured in the following section. From this sentence, we understand absolutely nothing. So keep your sentences short and make them or keep them understandable for the reader. So never do this in your technical report. Okay?